So hi everyone, this is just going to be a really quick video on different ways you can style your synthetic dreads. You could probably do this with real dreads as well. I wouldn't see why not. So just really quickly, let's get started. So hairstyle number one is of course just having your dreads down. So another look we can do is half up, half down, and I'm going to show you guys now. Flip my hair back. And what I like to do is grab just two from the front. Now I like to do this in like a half up messy bun kind of way, so just like that. And there you go. You can kind of mess with it as much as you want and have it the way you like it. So the next style then is just literally taking out that bun and then giving yourself a half up, half down, but with a ponytail. Trying to show you guys. So next then is probably just going to be literally a ponytail, which I've never done before because I just feel like it's too heavy, but I'll do it for the purpose of this video. So I've just done that off camera there, but that's just really quick, a dread ponytail. So next is going to be a bit down and a bit up and up, so two ponytails but the bottom half down. Again, I'm just going to do this off camera guys because it's really just separating the hair and stuff, and it's just an ugly process, so I don't want to film it. Oh god, I might just do that side again. And then for my next style, so the next look then is just like the pony, like the half up, half down pony. You just take them out of the half bun, and then it's like two cute pigtails. Like, I did these dreads myself, so please ignore the fact that they're not that good. Like, I have some lumps and bumps in places, like that one particular one that I just seem to not be able to hide. This is just gonna be kind of like a really quick bun. And you can of course include a bandana. So the next one I'm going to do is really easy, and it's just going to be... So another one with the bandana is like this. Super quick, super simple. So another look that I find really cute is just braid. And just like that. Again, you can always try and make it look cuter if you want. Add a bandana. So another quick look you could do is obviously just one big plait going all the way back, which I can't do on myself. But if you have someone there who's willing to just put your dreads in a big plait for you, I mean, it's the same as just plaiting normal hair. So yeah, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, comment down below, and please subscribe if you want to see more. If you want to follow me on all my social media channels, you can follow me on Instagram, which is lauren.meehan_. If you want to follow me on TikTok and Snapchat, it's lauren_ellie99x. And then if you want to follow me on Depop, which is where I sell my clothes, it's Lauren Elizabeth M. And please don't forget to share this video if you really liked it, if you know anyone who has dreads and, you know, wants to get creative with ways to style them. If you guys want to see a second styling video, please let me know in the comments below. I can do that for you guys. So yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video if you like to watch my videos. Bye! Ugh, why do I say bye like that? Bye!